So let's go in and open up a few other models here. This is another example. So you see this one's an imported model. Alright, so how would we go about dimensioning that and making a nice print of this model? Of course, you could make a drawing and put the dimensions on by hand, or use DimExpert. So I'll look at this from some kind of trimetric view here. I can choose my auto dimensioning scheme, tell it that it's a prismatic part where my datums are. So this is A. I'll right click to go to datum B and click it. I'll right click again. See, the mouse has a right click button. I'll make that datum C. Now I can tell it to look for all the features in my model or just certain features. For example, if this was a casting and I only cared about dimensioning the holes, I would just pick the holes. Or I could have it filter automatically here, so I could clear this list and say only look for counterbore holes. In this case, I'll try to pick everything because it's a machined part, and I'll say OK. And you can look at that from all the different views. That makes sense here. There's two of these holes. Proper hole call out. Now some companies ask, hey, can I go paperless because I have all my dimensions now for manufacturing and inspection? You could. You could save this as an e-drawing. So by publishing this directly to the e-drawing format, you'll notice that I have all of my dimensions that I used in DimExpert. Now I would just save that file in a vault that everybody would have access to. So I'll just save that in my DimExpert folder. There's the published e-drawing now with all the tolerances that anybody could look at, like so. And in the EPDM system, you will notice that the preview will show up appropriately. Of course, you can get the bigger window, but this shows up by default quite nicely. You could always hit the View File button and it will pop open with its own full screen. There you are. You get your standard views here as well to make it easy to understand all the dimensioning and tolerancing that's going on here. Okay, so that's an imported model. We've achieved our tolerancing here very quickly.